water good? You got water? You got enough water, baby? You got this guy with his whole thing. Yeah. You like messing with Evie, yeah? Evie doesn't care though. She's like, I got used to him. Watch out, here he comes back. Bye, Zero. Hi, buddy. The star of the show himself. Hi. Where you heading? Where you heading, my goatee? Where you going, my boy? Hi. Where you heading, pal? Alrighty. I should bring their bowls in, their food bowls. They're gonna follow me because they probably think I'm feeding them, but I'm not right now. It's too early. We already fed them in the morning. We don't want them overeating. Chance. Oh my gosh, this guy. Alright, so I got their food bowls. Bye-bye. I'll feed you guys later, okay? I promise. You're looking at me like I'm not gonna feed you. No, I'm not feeding you yet, sweetie. I'll feed you later.